ebusian for a high Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Ebusian for Obin catching Nana Jantuah. Our Ejuma in Shira FM say. So penasum dia. So penasum dia. Also so complaining about anything in this bay. Yeah. Nana Jantuah. Se upe wasum dia. Ade biara in this bay biano. Se papo. Se bonio. Kawanutum. Adentia. Wu Nana Jantuah. Menim ni akufado di yeo. Menim ni about me di yeo. But I say before election 2024, no, you made it a point to ensure say MPP became unpopular in Ashanti region. Nana Jantuah no. Yeah. Meaning say I promise you be a fulfill ma o say o sika bia peko abeka ye ho. Meaning say bia ekwan ya fa ofie ni ma o say ye meye ma o na ya nya ma o. Nana Jantuah onim say journalist bia organa ha bia na dwemu do bia nim say I'm on my way there. Nipa o promise o kukobo nkitinkiti. Nipa o promise o credit score system. Anka senya asema anka credit score system yes on my way nim say nipa o timi ba abayemo a or recruiting crofo into public services AMPP government. Journalists bia say anka there we ewo fingertips yes sir. But who Nana Jantuah mo and your likes are mutina in Shira FM honum. Then a man catch man ka bata kufado. Any baba omia. Campaign ben a man yenti. He say the end is for aba. Ye Dumsor in Shira FM afero usu. Usu chire wan. Nana Jantuah usu chire wan. Me. Ana wan. Ana na NDC for no. Mobile ban na wonim say baby NDC ko bia Dumsor na di omuchi. Onim. Aya say there we say Nana Jantuah say when you kakra. Anya share you be in your late ebia 30s or early 40s. Ana enti John Mama 1.0 there. I'm expecting you to have witnessed it. And now ni her. Now I very close and now uti Burkina. You were here. You remember the time, sir? Na ukofia. Now friend will say, baby, light number. We just say no. Just say, a so copy baby I charge you phone as na ukofi. He became so bad to the extent say president or man pinangasa John Mama or call UK na ni refi say or my problem or the power bank eko. Yeah, that's how bad it is. Say we are going back to those days. They say Accra for ni kumasi for me we say eba back kakra. Obianye din o ema obiankasa. Kumasi for amodi mudi Nana Jantuah echi say Nana Jantuah say mamu ntuma NPP nti manko tu abano. Atola. Ye do mo lighter. Ye say, enkasa. Mini pen no. Say, Esa. No bagawaya. No libi. No labalaba. Because, uko tuwa bana. Anka ene. Eka say, umampeni ye wanya. Beka say, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Pamo anko tu. The one ko to no aso twin ne say we light ebeji we light e bu for madam will be a friend Dantes wa can I judge Nana Jantuah rough media say media me a gentle it's after this tape media Dantes ebe to aso ama mo ambeti wasum e bu for madam say now before then e bu for your studio no mumboy wa na ba na screen ase kitwa bianswa mumboy mida munyina ase mo mo respond to your plea no mida mo ase nyame hira mo bebre. Now let's listen to Dantes.
Into other regional, into how you say is other regional ministers, not 15 other regional ministers. My mom back to social media. MBS are they not working? Accra regional minister on working, voter regional onye juma. Instead of you to sit down and look at the real problems of our people and put it forward. So even if you use social media, you should look at the real problems of our people and then put it forward on social media. No, and then you guys are praising him. Into years, I was as quite intelligent and I solve our electricity problem in Ashanti region and our health problem in Ashanti region. Obey us hard and I solve ye kwanya ye ni kwanya papa Ashanti region na. You guys should give us a break and think critically. No when you're journalism kwasiafo big na honorable praising kwasiafo. Was that the standard you give to Akufo-Addo? Was that the and Akufo-Addo by no say enemy be painting a phrase so as quite intelligent and cause there someone come back actually no. Akufo-Addo by no say and as quite intelligent I am come to paint it na maybe paint you and cause there some number back at Akufo-Addo say no ehu here. So right now we should drop the standard. We should drop the standard for what kind of nonsense is that? Okay, I'm saying Oga will be regional minister, main deputy.
Mate, Dantes me that say as when it comes
Dantes,
to
memoir mayor.
we nyina when it come sa mayor na ni komu change say na ye kwesen na konfo no ho
Zuma mpacho.
Zuba bet na boase. One be yehu e wo boase ho. Zuba bet na boase. One be yehu wo boase ho. Ono na se e na boase Anglo Ashanti egu poto ho.
Dantes e ma tunko na obubo okeje tia market o. Oba wa che.
Yeah, mo NDC for ready.
Oh yeah.
To our leaders, our current leaders. Still no, what we dream it today. They cannot. The social media doesn't win elections. Now, is that what they are thinking is right now? The social media doesn't win election. Still no watching the man. Still you're paying for no journey there. Social media no, it doesn't factor in. Hey, what to win election now? And that's just still no. What I can be there. Social media no can help. Another one with social media no, or you just bogus, or you kasakake, na ye kawaha. Sometimes no, young paying for no, and yamma warrior sister no makes us feel that sometimes we should just even close our social media channels and just sit back and watch them. Whilst the NDC are using social media to peddle all lies and all propaganda. But it looks like young paying for no, still no what thinking be there. Social media it doesn't matter. TikTok doesn't matter. X doesn't matter. Facebook doesn't matter. That's how I feel. Because once Jano makes me feel like this is what is going on. Baby Fako. The reason why that I am saying that I feel like is share Tescom, right? No, I can't send baby. Kishia Tescom, or you want to do come, that is fantastic. But it looks like these people are still ignoring the social media, the impact that social media could do to bring them to power. Or they forgot the one in our work of re-election. From getting painful, from regional chairman, from the regional executives, out to getting painful. It's like you were in your position. And until you will reach 2027, now so be and these people are not going to factor whatever that they are doing with the social media. Then Tesco me. Then you to put you there Tesco. Now social media for you now why hey more press conference we need to get it. Then you to me spread their film. This week keeping on social media. And the cocoa assemia no way interview abruo or ya brua na say ehwemamena etumro we kwase pa na what mic na man okasembi mamena na asem okanyi de NDC fu agiye ni sika atitu ye ni sika mahama atitu ye sika de ama ne brother but that kwakoto plane. I was shocked and I am asking you, This Mahama attitude kokofo ska da to play ni. Or here for now started social media. I started that. But the even po yan like when put the car home. When I say me better, but the light bro, cause the car there. Sikana water to the gidano, what the cocoa sikagina akaho. And all the amma. The bread what I to pay. I'm not trying to take any credit, but I am saying there that message, was coming from social media, TikTok, and that message, was coming from that President Mahama. Why did you go sika? Why did you like rack and what to play no from social media? And that information, another that in quote message, ofi and a wako. Now should I wait to aqua and Bruno world class now? That means social media is powerful. You would think that social media no impossible. Now speaking of painful, they are still ignoring. And never 1 year that your co-position, they are still ignoring. They are doing the same thing. Is it there? What Dr. Mahmoud Baumia abro ana? Test. I'm asking a question. Or they are not ready. Another in some war kind of when they are part, they sold the election to the NDC. Did they sold the election to the NDC for 8 years or just 4 years? Because I don't understand. I don't get it. Even quote unquote, a press conference in one car. Every time was your MPPI press conference, and then they you knew put there minority we share Tescom, MPP minority we share Tescom. Yet you because I feel markets kasa what Tescom. That is sad. And it said that from minority in parliament, so what won't say? It is sad. You cannot do it alone. You cannot do it with only Tescom. You went there, you met Tescom. It's in one minority in parliament. We have to gather all these social media people, and sometimes we need to disseminate information to them. Let them channel the energy on it, and we allow and we sit there. Sometimes we fight for even information. So they think they can do it by themselves. So if they think that social media we here one can change, then we all close our social media and sit down and one could say 1 year. So feel what it is sad. You guys are letting us down, and the party head for what minority in parliament. That we catch the one son to Abaman. It's what are you doing to help this party? What are you doing to help this party? You are not helping. We are in opposition, so you need to factor every single person. Sa abroa oti ekwasi wonpo atin sama ye push e wo social media there. President Mahama enna ne nua wagigi koko esikafo koko kokofu woni sika wagigi woni sika na wodi akwakoto play na. And that means social media and some you would think that it's not going anywhere, but it goes down. It goes down. So from the minority in parliament to young people in front of watching still no one thing can one there. TikTok, social media, all the social media platform I went here now. I went here to victory 2028 now. You are joking. Now Tescom, nobody knows. Yet here the budget Tescom. And now Kasa. Who is going to spread that information? Tescom from Mukashia what try on your social media. I want to na de no kwase wo. Ya sometimes why be young put okajwa na brofo. Kokajwa brofo. Now so abrowana oti ekura so efuo bu ho no onye brofo. NDC wo winning most of one election okadada ambrowan we crash wo for Christ's sake. Ember odi adanadane nti odubie bi na se ember odan wa ode wo so edan. MPP odubie bi a ember no odana ode wo so eden. Ye jira ho masabe jemfi small boy a week otumi a press conferences ahead but yet 10 in opposition. Even when the unkofi position only discourage ka wa ye nyamo rough of company. These people are out defending an MPP you position or they to be attack Kofi. We are not doing it, and all the attack is coming from social media, and it looks like you don't even care about the social media people. You don't want to even factor whatever you are doing. You don't want to factor them. You don't want to factor them. What are we doing? You're painful. Message from the majority in parliament. We now our leaders and from what are you doing? And now constituency executive, what are you doing? Sometimes messages is supposed to come from the head. What's the name? So say or casiwo. It is a name was sora or casiwo. It is a MPP a bosso. Let's say this is the time. And bro dana dane into murder hunda na was so adan. You can never do the same thing as you did in that and expect the same result. And our music, our song say we win simple. Do you think in 2028 is it going to be that simple? Are we going to just NDC are going to just hand over the presidency and the parliament to us just like that? Is that what your thinking is? Is that what? Though these people everything shows that they are going to opposition, but I am telling you, it can change because of your doings. Another much what to abama one in our sana we would social media no or impact. Miss Hona Bruana say. Or the aqua plane and Miss social media no only impact. That message, it is not from Yenim Penyufo. The man somewhere you can see the Bia Katina radio do. MPP communicating Bia Katina radio do. In Kakade, President Mahama, Evio Kokofu, or the Sika, and the Aquacoto plane. Nobody has said that on radio or on TV in Ghana. That message, it was from TikTok. We started that message. We started that message, and those messages are the messages are owing elections. Kabasa make so yen this fan kaba do na tem or ye game pay fruit to do na tem. I am advising you guys. Sometime no yen no farmers you too tufu. Abofaba tufu. Abofaba kasa no sanyanse o ma efa.